So recently I watched one of Best Dressed videos on her starting her first bullet journal, and I got so inspired that I went out and bought one myself, and I thought that I would make a similar video because I have been really struggling with organization in my life. Like, I have like a planner and 3 different notebooks that I just like jot ideas into, and I don't know how to get everything organized. It's been a struggle for me. So I thought that a bullet journal would be the perfect option. I realized that bullet journaling could be something that, number one, helps me to organize everything in one place exactly how I want it, so I can just flip to pages and know where everything is, which was just gonna be amazing. But number 2, I think that it could be a great kind of de-stressor and just like a calm moment to create the pages and get a little creative in the notebook. I'm very excited, if you can't tell. This is obviously the first time I've ever had a bullet journal, so I'm very nervous to write in this, but it's gonna be fine and it's gonna look great. Let's get started. I'm so nervous. La-dee-da. Okay. Here are the materials that I got for this. So this is just a generic dotted notebook I got off Amazon. And then I have my 2 favorite pens, which are Pilot Precise V5, and then this clicky one here is called a Pilot Precise V5 RT. It's a mouthful, but amazing pens. I really like the clicky one a lot. It dispenses ink very nicely anyway. And then I have a pencil and eraser for planning things out. And then I kind of went all out and got these dual brush pens, which are similar to the Tombow ones. Not as nice, I don't think, but I just kind of wanted to add some color. These were also very cheap on Amazon, like $10. I will leave all of the links of the things that I'm using below. So that's all that I'm using. So my plan is to like keep all of my daily tasks and organization and lists and ideas in my bullet journal, but you already know I'm still gonna be using my Fashionary, of course, because that is my like secret weapon. I freaking love my Fashionary. I've been using it for years. You guys know it's been in so many of my videos, and I highly recommend if you're trying to step up your game in fashion, if you like aren't a professional drawist, which I am not. It really did help me with getting things on paper quickly and like getting my ideas out and planning things out, because they have those faint dotted figures on there, which just like made my life so much better. If you're interested in getting a Fashionary, I still have my discount code for you guys. It's Sarah10, and it will give you 10% off their entire website. Actually, they have so many cool books and things other than their iconic notebooks. So I am not going to be drawing any fashion things in my bullet journal. This is just for like day-to-day planning and organization. So after I flipped this page back a million times for some reason, I psyched myself up to write on the first page. And I decided to do something really cute. Decided to write a little quote that might inspire me, you know. So I decided to do a little thing that I have on my Instagram bio, which is buy less, do more. And then the second part of the page, I have worry less, pray more, which is actually from a Bible verse. What is it? What is this Bible verse? From Philippians 4:6. Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Then you will experience peace. And I really love that. Speaks to me. I didn't do the best job. Like, it's not adorable. And I just started practicing calligraphy like a couple days before this. So, but you know, you can read it, so it's fine. Okay, so I'm trying to compile all of my stuff, ideas and whatever from my other planner that I have. And I decided to do the first page as a year in videos, just like Best Dressed did. I thought that her setup was really great, so I'm gonna kind of mimic it a little bit. I hope that doesn't bother you, but I mean, she's a YouTuber and she came up with an awesome setup. So I'm gonna mimic some of what she did because I thought it would help me so much with like my YouTube organization. So the first page is a year in videos, and it's just so I can write in my ideas and like what I'm gonna plan out for each month in pencil so that I can maybe go back and change them if I need to. The next page, I decided to do video ideas, like a little brainstorming page. So I came up with a few different categories and did little boxes. They could have their own little border to them. And my categories are upcycles, lifestyle, from scratch, wedding, and home decor. If you have any video ideas, please comment them because I always love that. You know, I'm here to please, so comment them if you have any good ones. Right next to that, I did a page of video plans, like the specifics of stuff. I just kind of left it blank because I don't really know what's going to go there yet. So that's that. The next page, I'm doing a titles and thumbnails brainstorming page. Oh my God. Oh, I forgot. There's no B in this freaking thumbnail word. Apparently when you're writing really slowly and trying to make a word look pretty, you just like disregard the correct spelling of it. And I did that about 100 times. Anyway, this page is blank too because it's like a brainstorm page. Moving on, the next page, I decided to do a monthly goal page. This was towards the end of November and I just made 2 columns here, one for my YouTube and like Instagram stuff and one for me personally. So I made 2 little columns here. I try to be all cutesy, guys. I know that beginners aren't like supposed to do that. And yes, it was a little bit frustrating because things are not very cute. They didn't turn out very cute. Well, some of them didn't. Some of them did. Whatever. Anyway, this page turned out decent. So I kind of am gathering all of my thoughts from my other notebooks and sloshing them onto the page here. Okay, moving on. What? I'm gonna start my daily layout here. So here, oh my God, no. Mo day? Oh my God. Yes, okay, yes. I spelled Monday, Mo day. I left the N out, you guys. This is not the last time you're gonna see this happen. Very frustrating. I recommend not trying to be fancy on your first go. Anyway, I actually copied what Best Dressed did for this because I absolutely loved it. I thought that it would be the most effective for me as well. So what she did was she laid out at the top left main tasks that need to be done that day. So maybe 5 really important things that need to get done. And then below that you have pending tasks, which are things like errands or things that aren't as important. And then on the right side of that page is an hourly schedule, which I have just realized that I absolutely need in my life. Like, I think that I can get 1,000 things done a day, and then when I only get 5 things done, I get like really annoyed, but it's just not realistic. So I would really recommend this hourly schedule. So I'm doing this for every day. I'm doing each day as half of a page. I made sure to spell all the rest of the days the right way, hopefully. And then on that next page, I'm putting Friday, Saturday, and Sunday split up at the bottom there. And then this extra page here at the end of the week, I don't really know. This isn't very productive here. I think I might change it. And here we go. What is this? I was just struggling here with the creative aspect of this notebook. I need some whiteout badly. And then this happened. Mama needs another glass of wine. Or less glasses of wine. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going through the rest of the month of November and drawing out the same setup for the weeks in this cute little fall colored theme. The brown and the yellow and the red and the orange. Cute. And then I didn't do any like trackers or anything, so I thought I would kind of try this food tracker. So technically speaking, I have some intolerances and I'm like not supposed to eat these things. I kind of found out last year and I've really fallen off the wagon. I have. It's really hard to keep up with. So I thought that I would just kind of do this and block out the days like this, and then I can kind of color in if I did eat almond cheese, dairy, or eggs in that certain day, so that I can kind of track how well I'm doing or how not well that I'm doing. But you know, it might help me get back on it. And then I have some adorable washi tape here that I'm going to put on important pages that my center ribbon isn't going to be on. So like my monthly goals pages, and then I think I'll put one on my food tracker page too. So I just know where those are and I can flip right to them. And here is my final flip through, which professional bullet journal YouTubists do. Please comment below if you saw any other spelling errors, or don't comment below because I might just burn this book. Just kidding, I think that it came out decent. And then next to this food tracker here, I'm going to start December. That may have taken me the better part of my day, and I may have misspelled 1,000 words and made 1,000 dumb mistakes, but I like how it turned out so far, and I know that like I'm a complete beginner and whatever. Just let me know if you liked this video or if you didn't like this video. I know that you guys love the like super silly me and when I do crazy videos and stuff, but sometimes, you know, I don't have that much energy. And sometimes I just want to do more relaxing lifestyle videos, you know, about me and other things that I'm passionate about. So I do apologize, but sincerely let me know if you enjoyed this bullet journal video, and let me know if you want to see another one, because I may get better at it. I don't know. We'll see about that. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.